Today we are making hagao. Here are the ingredients needed. Now we're going to chop up the shrimp. Now we're going to add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar to the shrimp. Mixy, 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 mixy. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of white wine and 1 teaspoon of chicken broth. Mixy, 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 mixy. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of potato starch and some more mixing. And now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Now we're going to mix it very well. Now that's going to wait in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. It's time to work on the skin. 25 grams of potato starch. 50 grams of wheat starch. Now it's time to mix these together. Now add 2.5 ounces of boiling water. Once you mix everything together, it's going to look like this. Put the dough in a plastic bag for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the dough should be separated into different pieces. Each piece should be about 10 grams. Now put the dough in a plastic bag. Now let's go get that shrimp from the fridge. Now we just have to assemble. Now it's time to cook them. To cook them, all you need to do is steam them for 25 minutes. It tastes just like it. Beep. Mission accomplished. Definitely. Oh my God.
So cool.
Amazing.